This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking baseline metrics: weight, mobility, and realistic timeline. Once done, choose 3-5 compound lifts: squat, hinge, press. That will drive whole body change. Start each session with a 5-10-minute dynamic warm-up to improve joint range and reduce injury risk. You'll pair strength days with short conditioning to spark fat loss. Make sure to log sets, reps, and loads so progress is measurable. This rapid foundation gets you moving toward a model body without wasted prep time. Once you have consistency, focus on progressive overload. Add small weight or reps every week to force adaptation. You'll structure sessions: primary compound strength first, 3-5 sets, then 2-4 accessory movements targeting symmetry and posture. Include unilateral work to fix imbalances and core anti-rotation drills for a tight midsection. For conditioning, use controlled HIIT or tempo runs to retain muscle while shedding fat. Make sure to vary intensity and recover between hard efforts so you keep making visible shaping gains. You close a cycle by peaking volume or intensity for 2-4 weeks, then deload to recover and lock in strength. Once done, tighten nutrition. Bring calories slightly lower if fat loss stalls and focus carbs around workouts to sustain performance. Monitor weekly photos, measurements, and lifts rather than daily scale noise. If progress stops, make one change at a time: sleep, stress management, or a 5-10% volume tweak, so you can identify the limiter and continue toward that model body.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.